You think it's copyright? It just turned off is what it did. It didn't even give me a notice this time. No, I didn't even get an email. It just turned off. There's a lot of issues, man. Streaming is difficult. I'm not gonna be able to stay up if I don't play like good music. I don't care about the copyright stuff. I'll just keep restarting. So let's add, we're doing a gold short running. Good. There's no chance I'm not playing music. How many trades does it take to start hallucinating market patterns? I have to play music, exactly. Keeps everyone awake, keeps the stream more interesting. Instrumentals. You guys are just insane, dude. You realize it's like midnight here, right? I'm not gonna play like lullabies. Copyright-free music is horrid. After how many wins/loses you close trading for that day generally? I don't have a limit. I just go based off of you just have to be aware with your emotions, right? If you're reacting emotionally, you shouldn't be trading. Simple. Right? So the number one step of becoming a profitable trader is being able to recognize how you feel. Or how you're acting, right? Can we contribute to the playlist? No. No, you guys' music sucks. You guys keep putting on calm, relaxing music. And I'm not listening to that shit. Not right now. We need EDM right now. Until daylight in 6 hours. 6. Where do I hear my voice right now? Yeah, it's a good practice to just have what is where how much caffeine I'm planning to take? I'm already on who was the winner? The winner was what am I fucking listening to? Am I going crazy? So I've already had tea, and then matcha, and then 300 milligrams of pre-workout, which I threw like 300 milligrams of caffeine in it. Did I develop DMC alone? Not really. It's Dumb Money Concepts. I made Dumb Money Concepts by myself, which is stemmed from Trader Sumo. Trader Sumo had taught me some stuff, and then I adapted it to be my own, and then I made the concept of Dumb Money Concepts, which makes it easier to teach to you guys, right? I'm 30 years old. Gold is selling? I would hope so, yeah. We're in a short. I look like I'm 25? Thank you. Okay, why is it buffer like that? Network issue, you think? Let me look up speed test. Oh, Jesus. Okay, why is it buffer like that? Looks fine. Can you get a job? If you have a useful skill. Like, it's as simple as that. If you don't have any skills, you can't get jobs. It's like it has nothing to do with me or anyone. It's just like if you can't provide value, you're nobody's gonna give you things. It's not how the world works. If you can provide value to a significant level, then people will hire you. What do I do on Saturday, Sunday? A lot of times I hang out with friends. Sometimes I do work. Sometimes I go on adventures. Like road trips or travel or some sorts. Sometimes I do something like camping or like paddleboarding or snowboarding or something, like outdoor stuff. A lot of outdoor stuff. You work as a system analyst? That's a useless job though for me. So you could work somewhere that's a tech company. And that might be useful for them. Like a data center. You could work there. If you guys want to make accounts or get accounts, you can make content here on Discord. If you don't happen to win, we're doing giveaways every hour. Every hour, we have 13 giveaways left. We've done like 9, something like that. We're getting nearly to halfway done this. What did you change in your setup to make you profitable? That's not a simple question. You're searching. What you're doing right now is you're fishing for something easy you can do to make you profitable. There's nothing easy you can do to make you profitable. It's an entire lifestyle change. You have to change who you are to become a profitable trader. Who you are right now is not good enough. It's nothing to do with strategy. It's nothing to do with the hours or what pairs you're trading. Nothing. It's who you are. You are not good enough to be a trader with your current persona, right? You need to develop your psyche better to be able to understand yourself and your actions better. That's the answer. You need to be able to read your emotions better. You need to be able to analyze yourself and not the market. There's no market tricks that make you money. It's all about self-awareness. Can I react to my old vlogs? Maybe. That actually might be fun. So 24-hour stream is going to happen. Of course, we're nearly halfway through. We're nearly halfway through. Yeah, the cold hard truth about trading is like, so everyone who wants to be a trader is somebody who is a dopamine addict. Somebody who wants a fast rush of emotions and the kick of getting money quickly. Every single person. And the reason why none of you can do it is because you have to become the opposite of who you are. Okay? I entered trading wanting fast money, just like every single one of you watching. Okay? Because I know that for sure, because if you don't want fast money, you wouldn't have wanted to be a trader. It's like the whole allure of trading is fast money. That's literally all it is. Fast money that you can sit and do nothing, right? But the reality is you have to work incredibly hard and you have to have incredible amounts of patience and you need to not want the money anymore. And that's the only way that you're going to be a profitable trader, is by wanting to be a better, more dynamic person rather than wanting money. And if you keep wanting money, you will never get it with trading. I can sit here not looking at the balance. Half the time I forget I even have trades. And I don't give a shit. Because this doesn't mean anything to me anymore. And that's the only reason I'm able to make money. Because I care about the game, not the money. Right? There's a game that we're playing. And I have fun playing the game. And I'm able to leave a trade. I'm able to exit a trade because the dollar amount, when it's negative, means nothing to me. I just say, hey, that's wrong. I don't want to play that anymore. I'm going to wait until something that allows me to win. In as much as the Lambo guys are mostly scammers and not traders, I appreciate them for getting me interested in trading. Exactly, yeah, totally. Yeah, that's the allure, right? But I will say this with like fucking utmost certainty. Every single person who flexes with like Lambo, fucking flashy shit, sells courses, Not a single one knows how to make money trading. They know how to make money from other means, selling courses, entertainment, ad revenue, right? Things like this. There's not a single one that makes money from trading. Thoughts on TGR? It's the same shit. Every single person who has flashy, entertaining videos does not know how to trade. Right? Well, they could know how to trade, but the thing is, the skills it takes in order to become that person is the opposite skills it takes in order to become a successful trader. So you can't be both. It's like training yourself to be a bodybuilder and a fucking and to be tiny at the same time, you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't make sense. You can't be both. You can't be a horse jockey and Mr. Olympia. It's two different things you're training. And they're both incredibly hard to do. So you're not going to be able to do both at the same time. That's what I'm saying. To be a profitable trader, you need to ego death, essentially. Oh, that's sick. It's a sick beat. Title should be Chris Destroys Your Delusions. I love it. It's just no nonsense, man, when you come here. It's like, I'm not going to fucking talk hype and tell you all these false dreams. I could pretty much say with certainty, like, nobody ends up being a successful trader long term. Nobody. Right? You can do it on the side, but nobody's a full-time trader. Like, in terms of like a percentage of people, it's zero. Right? Like, there are people that do it, but it's like 1 in a million. Okay. So you don't want to play those odds. You want to be a trader who can make money on the side, really. Like, do it as a hobby, have fun, right? And you'll make bits of money here and there. You can still make money. It doesn't mean you're not going to make money, but you're not going to realistically, you're not living off of your trading earnings. Not for like decade, right? Do it for 10 years, right? And then you can consider maybe being a full-time trader. But I'm telling you, after you do it for 10 years, you're going to realize you don't want to be a full-time trader. But you still want to be a trader, I'm sure. I'm sure, like, you know, there's never been a time where I've not wanted to trade. But as time goes on, I realize how dumb of a decision it is to be a full-time trader. Yeah, there's like a catch-22 with this, right? It's like if I break your dreams of trading, you know, like, you're gonna have a ton of fun trading if you do this properly, right? If you treat it like a hobby, it's a beautiful thing, right? It also takes the pressure off, right? You're gonna be able to make money if you treat it like a hobby. But if you're trying to make money, you're just gonna make yourself disappointed for the next 5 years and then quit. What was my first job? McDonald's. First real job, I was a system admin. if we just close this. Break even. It's not doing what I want. Dumb money concepts, baby. Yeah. Why is that? Is it profits or? Oh Jesus, it's hard to read, man. You guys are gonna have to make better sense with your questions. It's difficult for me to understand what's happening at this point. I'm not very good at staying up late, man. I go to bed at like 8 or 9 usually, and then my brain just shuts off after 9. Do you think there should be a laid down rule one should follow while trading? I mean, is it compulsory to cage yourself in a certain cycle or against somebody? That's a very general question. What's my pre-trading activities? I wake up already late for work because I'm on the West Coast. So I shine a bright light in my face and do some stretching so that my brain starts working. That bright light makes me feel not sick in the morning because I wake up at like 5. And then I go drink a matcha, and then I run over to the computer, and I basically sit down immediately to click stream immediately for you guys, right? Why did I leave tech? I don't give a shit about tech. Yeah. Yeah, gold's gonna... Oh, that's a nice sell after that bounce there, right? Oh, you guys are loaded up with questions, eh? You're keeping me going. It's good. Keeping me busy with these questions. I like it. Your first job was system admin too. Yeah. So yeah, the system admin job is good for traders because you can just kind of sit there and learn how to trade while at work. And you can, like, you sit in front of a computer. It allows you to, you know, you can be around it if you need to be, you know. So tech stuff's good for that. I like that. It also allowed me to get into Bitcoin really early, which is a blessing, right? And learn it early. Mind you, I didn't make any money from it, but early. Got a lot of system admins, eh? What's the biggest red flag that makes you instantly reject a trader from your firm? There's no such thing. No trader gets rejected. I don't know what you mean. Why did I name them a strategy DMC? That's exactly why. It's because SMC is not very smart. It's kind of retarded, actually. So I made it even dumber. If I can trade DMC while awake for 24 hours straight, make money, trading through the terrible sessions non-stop here for you guys, that should tell you how the power of DMC is. Like, you can be an absolute imbecile and do this and make money. Right? Absolute imbecile. My brain is no longer working at all. I'm reading chat and I'm having difficulty reading the words and I'm still making money. You know what I mean? Like, a child could do this. That's why it's dumb money concepts. London Open is coming. Let's look at any news today. There's no... Wait, it's Wednesday now. 5 a.m. What's the PNL now? We started at... We made like $1,000. That's it. We made the $1,000 on Asia Open, and basically we've just been chopping up since then. So it really just tells you like when you should be trading. You should be trading the Open, and you just get fucked all the other time. Trade the Opens. That's it. I've traded enough of New York session as well to tell you that nearly all the money comes from the before lunch, like the first 2 hours. And then there are moves near the end of the day. But pretty much all the money comes during volume, right? Nice. Thanks, Maven Shorts. You got the link for Dumb Money Concepts. So we should get some action here coming in the next few minutes. So you don't use a stop loss in DMC? I mean, you can if you want. I don't because I'm able to control myself. I think I have a stop loss placed here. Right? But I just, like, my trades never hit stop. So I just close them beforehand. Stop losses are like, it's a hard set place. It's a terrible idea, really. Because you're just going to get stopped out. And then it's going to go to your target. Because the amount of time that the market chops up and still holds true to your idea is always. You know what I mean? It's pretty much always. Oh, 1 million account. Yeah, that's it. This live's making trading interesting. Hey, good. Follow for more, you know. Like the stream or whatever, I don't know. If the stream ever cuts out, I just turn it back on, okay? This is going for the next 13 hours still. This is the target, by the way, right here, probably. This account is not being given away at the end of the stream. That's a lie, Black Sun. Here's your first target, yeah. Second one's down here. How much time it took you for your first profitable month? Since inception of being introduced into trading. And also it depends if you mean like day trading or swing trading. Well, I mean, like investing. I made money investing quite easily, but since actually trying, maybe I don't know, a couple years. It's shorting from here. Yep, good. We are too. Boom, 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 boom. Reduce my risk. Wait. This is low risk. One. We're just doing one lawn and everything. Thanks. Awesome stream. Yeah, cheers, man. What's the disclaimer? Yeah, don't worry about the likes, man. I don't really care. Because the stream just resets. Seems like YouTube keeps shutting me down every once in a while, so. Like this is like the fifth stream at this point. And we're only in what, 10 hours nearly? About 10 hours. Thoughts on copy trading, Hunter? I mean, if you copy traded me exactly on things I just did on stream, you'd make a lot of money. But don't do that. I don't want you to do that. I want you to learn and then do it yourself. Copy trading doesn't do anything for you. Copyright claim on music. No, I don't know, it froze at one point. There's just different issues. What's the best way for a trader to adapt when their strategy stops working? It won't. I've never had a strategy work and then stop working. It either works or it doesn't. And if it only works some of the time, then it doesn't work. Please do a giveaway. I do a giveaway every hour, man. We're on giveaway 9 in 10 minutes. 13 left. When am I going to rest? In 13 hours. Oh. Don't you feel tired? Yes, of course. London Open in a few minutes here. Hopefully we get some cool stuff happening. Have I ever had consecutive losing months since becoming profitable? No. I can say that with certainty. I've not had a losing week since doing what I'm doing. I make money every week. Maybe the number of losing weeks in a row at a maximum that I've had is 1. since doing what I'm doing. I never have losing weeks. One in a row is the most. I have had 0 negative months. Best month? I don't know, man. How much profit have you secured? Today like $1,000, but it doesn't matter long term. The numbers don't matter. Like I was ranting about earlier, like it doesn't matter how much money you make. What matters is if you're playing the game right. Right. Like just never care about the money. I mean, it's hard to say because the money is how you determine how well you're playing the game, of course. So that's your score. Right? But your whole goal is to not ever look at the money itself. And just play properly. How long does it take to become profitable? A decade. I don't like that. Close, whatever it's gonna do here. NASDAQ's still doing nothing, eh? What is going on, man? Is this what people seriously are supposed to trade? Am I the author of DMC? Yes, correct. Oh, I don't like that. I'm just gonna close it. This does not look good to me. Gold break even. So the NASDAQ now. Still NASDAQ doing nothing. We gotta wait, unfortunately. This is just silly. So hourly. Yeah. Looks like short on the NASDAQ potentially. Yeah, maybe I'd short the NASDAQ. Looks alright on the short NASDAQ. Fucking lag, bro. just swapping to the NASDAQ instead of gold. A little bit cleaner. How long have you run a prop from? 3 years. 2.5 years. Something like that. I don't know. 2.5 years, I think. That's the level. Okay, I'm gonna sit on the sideline for a second. Just fucking rest my fucking mind. Close these. There we go. We took a little NASDAQ scalp. I can really feel my brain being slow now. There's a reason they tell you don't do this. Yeah, there's a reason why you shouldn't be trading this amount of time. This is incredibly exhausting to be focused for this long. So what's going on? Take a walk around the house. Do I have a dog? I got a cat. So that's all that is, by the way. I'm not sure you can see these other ones here. We've got a 1 hour. So the 1 hour, you can see we failed to make the new highs, right? So came back down. It should go. We should go lower. What's up, Silas? We should go lower. Yeah, we can still short it, but. What's up, Silas? No. What's going on? Are you confused why I'm not in bed? Okay, it's gonna come up. I'm gonna wait on it for a cleaner close. First trader to do 24 hours live. We got to do a giveaway, don't we? Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Who knows? Does anyone know the name of my cat? I've said it on stream. And it's okay if you spell it wrong, because it's going to be spelt wrong for sure. Is that my cat? Who else cat would it be, man? Who do you think I am? I've said the name of the cat before. Anyone who gets the name of the cat gets a 10K account. Oh, there you go. Nice. H-A-Q. You got it spelled so terrible, but I'm pretty sure you're close enough. Serious. So his name is Silas. I'll type it to you, but H-A-Q. You wanna? It's this, Silas. Well, you got it, man. So open up. You got a 10K. Open up a ticket in Discord. Good stuff, man. Good memory. I'm trying to take off all my jewelry. Jewelry's starting to get too heavy for me now. I guess I should have just left that shirt going, but... I'm having a lot of trouble trying to take this bracelet off. I put it on upside down. It's inside out. So now I have to open the clamp the wrong way. Snunker. I think I might have fucked myself. I can't take this bracelet off. Oh, Jesus. I can't take this other one off. I'm going insane, man. I don't know how to take my bracelet off. Oh wait, I got it. I have to open it from the other side. No, I got no jewelry. I'm gonna take it all off, man. Maybe in some time you'll act drunk because of sleep. Most likely, man. I'm definitely getting... I'm getting pretty dumb. DMC, nice. So I do still have a long on Bitcoin from down here. Something like this. We wanted to enter that long there. Let me just realize that I have this pending order still. I'm gonna close it because I know I'm gonna forget it. That's a good way to blow the account, you know. I still have like some sort of trade from down here going. It's just not on, it's not on this, it's on a personal account. I mean, not a personal account, a MetaTrader account on my phone. Okay, cool. Can you say you're proud of me? What did you do that makes me proud of you? What happened to the giveaway? We're doing giveaways still every hour. Yeah, Hunter's own one. Yeah, good. Timer. Counter up. Count up. Set. Start. That's not seconds. What's it called when it's like what's the opposite of a timer? Counter? Let's play a game. What game you want to play? On Discord? Maybe Discord game? Let's play Discord games. Sure. The thing is, like, they're too difficult, the games. Okay, let's play quiz. These games are going to be really difficult, though, no? Stopwatch. 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 Start. Nice. Oh, it's literally this. Okay, I need to... How do I set it? Wait. I want it to count up. And I want to be able to... Stopwatch. I want it to start at... I wanted to start it at 12 hours already. How do I start at a higher number? Settings. Oh, Jesus. Okay, we're just gonna freaking play the game. Okay, let's play this game. NQ rallying off that swing low there. This is so annoying, that sound. Is it? Huh? I don't like this. I don't know if I'm retarded or... I don't know how to play games, man. Okay, we're watching this. Wait, hold on. What percentage of I'm risking per trade? Doesn't matter. 0%. The minimum percent. Whatever makes me uncomfortable. I don't know if I can bounce around pairs. It's like too confusing now. There's too many lines, man. This is really confusing with all these lines. I need to delete them all. Oh, it's really dumb to start this during Asia session, right? Wasted all my energy on the worst market. I think we might have to only trade the NASDAQ because this is starting to confuse me. it looks like an experiment title. What happens when you trade for 24 hours? Exactly. It's gonna... We're gonna figure it out. I'm pretty sure when New York Open comes around, it's gonna be easier. Because there's gonna be sun. The market's gonna be moving faster. It's gonna be something we're familiar with. But like right now, I'm really confused looking at the chart. Like, I don't know if that makes sense, but... Your support should be proud of you. Only trade NASDAQ in New York session. We'll get moves which we expect. Yeah. Yeah, I can do... I don't think I can trade gold. It's too confusing for me for sure. We can maybe look at Bitcoin, but it's like... We have to wait for some like higher time frame candles. Maybe that's why I'm confused, because it's like there's nothing printing that's significant right now. So I think we just have to wait. It'll be nice. I never get to trade the pre-market, which is nice. Like 5 a.m. 5 a.m. always has some pretty good moves. Do I trade 5 minutes? No, never. 15 minute. 15 minute usually. Yeah, there's no clear structure. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. But I just couldn't understand why there wasn't anything clear. But it's because there's nothing's happened. Let's play a game. Sketch heads. Oh, this is Minecraft, isn't it? I think I need to play a game that like is pretty obvious how it's played. If you guys want to play, you can join the Discord. Oh, I guess maybe it's just us. What? Oh. I'm not very good at video games. We didn't miss one, no, you. Someone already got it. I don't understand how. don't understand this game. This is why I'm not playing games, because this makes no sense to me.
Jump on the cards.
I don't know where I'm supposed to go, man. Nice. Okay, London's starting to move. So 15 glows here. Where's the screen? Okay, game. Blink. Oh shit. This game is dumb enough that I can understand. Get up and stretch. Oh jeez. So, now that there's movement, it's good. Oh man. I don't think caffeine does anything at this point. I got some other caffeine shit. It's G Fuel. It's gamer fuel or whatever. So we're gonna play some video games now. Okay. 24-hour stream is not healthy, obviously. Okay. But we got lots of caffeine and cheese, so. Alright. Let's play a different game. Smash cards? Nice, that looks like Mario Kart. How did I win? Did I win? I'm not gonna take a nap, man. Cause then I can't do the giveaways. I could take a nap on that couch. Not enough friends. I don't have enough friends. If you guys want to join this, who am I racing? Oh, this is so annoying, man. This is not a good game. Oh, no, I guess. Yeah, I gotta wait for you. I'm trying to find like a game that like makes sense to play though. Maybe you guys play the game. Fix the game. Tell me what game to go into. Or you guys pick it. And I'll join here. You can have a nap at some point. I'm not sure I can. It kind of defeats the purpose of streaming for 24 hours. Am I up or down on my trades? Right here. I'm up. If this stream doesn't tell you one thing, it's that your time and your energy is valuable. I've wasted 12 hours. How am I keeping up? I'm absolutely exhausted. Like if this doesn't teach you one thing, It's just proof how fucking important it is to pick the hour you want to trade and just like only trade for like a couple hours. Because the amount of energy it took to make $1,000. This is like, this is not worth it, right? What's that game? Stick Arena. You remember this? Do you guys remember this game? We did some ironing, we worked out. It might be wise to work out again, because I didn't really work out. I'll do some push-ups if you guys do some push-ups. Is this gonna go? So hopefully you guys can see how like that kind of that like quote manipulation bullshit works, right? This is a 1 hour level, right? It's failing. So if we close back below here, people would say, "Oh, it's manipulation." No, it's just an attempt to make a high and then it failed, right? Oh, I wanna. This doesn't look like it's gonna play, eh? Stickerina. Let's play. It's not gonna let me play, eh? Deal then? Okay, let's do some push-ups. You gotta do 20 push-ups, okay? I'm gonna do 20. Okay, your turn. Push-ups. Brain works a little bit better now all of a sudden. I'm not doing burpees, man. Fuck that. Am I married? No. Short gold. You know what's funny is when I first thought of this idea, I was like, I'll stream. My first idea was to stream nonstop until I made 100 grand. And I was like, I'll just like sleep on stream. But then I realized, I was like, I wouldn't be able to do any work. I wouldn't be able to do anything. Right? I wouldn't be able to see friends. I wouldn't be able to do all my normal stuff. Right? Like one day of this is like completely like, it destroys the day. I can't do any work for 2 days. Gold looks good for the long. I wouldn't be long in gold, no. Not here. How many cups of coffee so far? I probably had like a gram of caffeine. Did I ever trade currency? I used to trade Forex. Yeah, back in the day. But not anymore, no. You're going with gold longs.
Hello.
A stop at. Oh, Jesus. Spooked me, man.
Arriba aí.
Yo.
Arriba. Ja.
You're gonna stop down here, gold longs. I mean, what are you trying to do? With a stop down there, like, what do you? I'm not sure what you're trying to do. It wouldn't make sense to me because you'd be putting a stop here when it's somewhat bearish off that level, right? Doesn't make sense to me. But
Poison.
I gotta leave this.
FX.
Hello.
Disconnect that shit. How much the biggest profit you make till now? Today, I don't know, like 1,000. Like we haven't really made much money. Short the NQ. Oh, I see the NQ. That's sick. Yeah, 1 a.m. almost here now, so I got a pimple here. How often am I planning to be doing this live? Never again. but I'll still do the daily lives. This will be my only live for the rest of the week. I'm gonna stop after this. I'm not doing a live stream on Thursday or Friday. I'm gonna skip that. So I'm gonna run this until I might not make it all the way 24 hours. We'll see. I need to at least do the New York Open though. Because this is crazy. This is a crazy amount of energy being drained. New York Open's gonna be volatile, and then I'm pretty sure by the time noon hits around, it's gonna be like just not worth it to be alive. So we'll see. I'm not gonna rest until it's done though. Until I'm done for the day. We want 48 hours nonstop with no caffeine. Yeah, man, then you're asking for some fucking crackhead shit then, hey? React to the old vlogs. Man, I'm worried about watching the old vlogs. Cause it's like, I don't know if I want to watch that shit. It's old stuff, man. It might bring back memories. I don't know if I'm prepared for it. I'm not sure I'm prepared for it. Let's watch this. There's a lot of like old friends and memories and whatnot. I'm not sure if I want to watch in old vlogs, especially not right now.
You know, I originally started because I wanted to have a little bit of fun while I was sitting at home, and I had a lot of free time since I'm not working anymore. And we've just...
I look like I'm 14, man. I was 25.
I'm doing a lot of education, a lot of really important videos, so I thought it would be fun to kind of poke fun at other traders here. So I saw a video that was recently posted back in March there.
Wow.
And we're going to watch it. I've watched maybe about half of it already, and then I thought this was absolutely hilarious, so I got to commentate on this. And let's just make fun of this guy.
Oh yeah, that intro, man.
At the end of the video, I'm going to show you I've connected the account to a My Effects book. So
we
we'll go
better
through
check
that at
that
the end
out.
of the video, and you'll see like
Because I really
live
doubt that
account,
this is going to be a real
everything
account.
like that. So I'll show you that at the end of the video once we've finished.
By the way, guys,
this
this is the title: $1,000 to $185,000 in 1 week.
Oh, he's trying to sell.
That's why I had to watch this video.
One lot.
You just put one lot. Place one lot on $1,000 account.
Oh, this is back when I edited my own videos.
1.5 lots now. So, first of all, he's got a $1,000 account, and the first thing he does, he doesn't explain any reasoning behind his trade, and he just places one lot on GJ for some reason. I guess we can see how well it does, but first of all, this guy, he's got no risk management. If you're placing one lot on 1,000, unless it's a scalp, he's probably going to get wrecked.
GJ just dropped nicely.
This guy's a nerd. This guy right here, fucking nerd. That's right, Silas. Meow. How did this get 250,000 views?
As you can see here.
He needs a much better camera.
Profits.
You can barely see anything here.
I'm gonna get out.
I'm not even good at making fun of him. It's weak. It's just observations. You need a better camera. It's not even good at making fun of him.
Going the other way.
What's the logic behind this? He just exits. There's no stop loss. He just exits because
No stop loss. That's probably why he made so much money.
it starts going back this direction.
We don't like stop losses now. Let me pull this up so I can watch it. Wow.
Oh, we could have got out down there.
No, but that would have been stupid.
Come here, Silas.
To exit because you would have.
Unfortunately, but we've got a nice setup on gold.
You would have exited for like 1 hour risk, which is stupid. Nobody should be trading 1 hour.
Oh man, I'm making fun of him because he's trading 1 hour with no stop loss. It's literally what I do now. It's literally what I do now. Come here, bud. I'm gonna come get you. Gotcha.
Buys on gold. Gold's fucking risky, man.
Okay, so he should be betting much less on gold, but no, he goes 1 lot because he doesn't know how forex works, and gold moves, you know, probably 3 times as much as the pound.
Oh, man, gold fucking scares gold. So I'm just going to just close my gold
But
trades.
he made 60% on his account.
There.
See what I mean?
£612 for the day. Balance. There we go. Nice.
But what if he was wrong?
So we all know that, like, what if he was wrong? We all know that that was just like there. It's not money. It's not real money. He didn't put $1,000 in. It's a demo account.
That's annoying. That's nuts. Nobody should ever make 60% in a day unless they bought
This is so dry and slow paced, is it not?
Bitcoin. Bitcoin's just rallied on spot, something like that. This.
And if we want to get a good challenge out of this, we need to start, I guess, going more risky. So tomorrow,
More
I'm
risky
going to
than
up the lot
60%.
sizes, start going.
You want to go outside? Come on. What's up with you? You crazy? Okay, that 1 hour is gonna close. We got another giveaway soon. The growth of Hunter, pretty cool, eh?
He's
more
complaining-
risky on this
he's
account,
complaining
trying
about
to
getting
grow it a
60%
lot
in
more
1 day.
because we didn't even get 100%
Didn't
in
even
one
get
day, which I know
100%.
isn't
What the
normal
hell?
for Forex, but this is like a challenge, so I want to try and get the highest
It's because
percentage
it's
as possible.
a challenge. That's why he wants 100% a day.
I'm gonna try
Yeah, that makes sense.
try go a lot more risky tomorrow, up the lot sizes and see. Guys, we're gonna sell GJ.
So he's right back on GJ. Let's see if we can.
Sell.
Let's see.
Nice. Do you see the chart? It's just fucking dumping, right? Good. It's a good strategy, I'm sure. Like wait for massive momentum, clean closes, and then just full margin it, and you know you'll eventually get it right a few days in a row, and then you've got your video. Well, how he did this is very obviously he found a streak of days where he just entered trades randomly, right? And they happened to land, and then he stopped recording the day he blew the account, right? So he just didn't post the last day that was blown, right? That's all he did, right? That's what all of these guys did. The only reason, like, these videos, I hated making these
For a mass.
back in the day because they're so boring and dumb. But the thing is, people loved to watch them because of this number. You put this in the title and people click the link. That's what it is, right? And it's just such a shitty video. They're all shitty videos. What would you tell your younger self now? man. I made some mistakes. You know, I made some mistakes. I don't think there's anything I could tell myself. Let's short it. Short it. Here's why. I'll break it down. 2 hour. Failure. Failure. 1 hour. So what is going to happen? We're going to go down here. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. Should go down there. Did you enjoy the learning process? No, there's a lot of terrible things that happened, right? There's a lot of very difficult times. I'm glad for all of them, though. I've been through some massive ups and downs over the past years. A lot of this content is just repurposed crap, right? Like, I put my own spin on it. Is dumb versions of my own spin. You know, there's a lot of the same shit every other guru did, and it's all garbage. Everything from the past is all garbage. You know, none of this actually helped anybody. Just like every other guru, none of it did anything. Right? Dumb money concepts will help people. All of this it's like, the reality is all of this is just a scam. You know what I mean? It's selling a dream. I repurposed it with some honesty just so that I could feel better about being somebody who just sold a dream, right? But every single one of these people is selling the dream, right? They're selling a dream of bullshit. It's all bullshit, man. All those videos are bullshit. Every single one of them. All the gurus, all that shit. It's all fucking crap. Do I backtest? No. Not anymore. I have something that works. Should we watch another one? Jeremy Cash. I remember this one being stupid.
What's up, traders?
This is my cat that's dead.
Beautiful outside, and I really want to be outside, but I do need to create those laws for you guys. So, you know what it is? You see the title, you see the headphones. We're going to make fun of somebody again. And a couple people were requesting this guy. A lot of people, they like to actually kind of make fun of him.
I wonder if Jeremy
The
Cash
name
is still
of the
around.
guy is, I think...
Jeremy Cash. See if he's still around. He's still around. Same thing. Same bullshit, man. Turned $150 into 33K. Same bullshit. Like, how can you be doing this for a fucking decade and still just be the same fucking same thing? Like, it's such a terrible career. It makes money, but it's a terrible career. Like, you're just lying to people. Right? And it's basically what all the gurus did, and partially what my brand was too, right? It's just selling the dream. Despite not being able to do it yourself properly, right? Right, let's give a giveaway. What's I don't know. What is I don't know. Fuck it. The Black Sun, you've won a 10K. Congrats. There you go. That's the giveaway. My brain is not great. Not great.
All right, what's up? This is gonna be his 1 minute strategy in 2020. Here we go.
Could you imagine waking up every single day, hopping on the charts, making this money every day, non-stop? More wins than losses, though. I'm talking about like 20 wins, 3 losses, 40 wins and 5 losses. Like, it's possible. With the strategy that I'm gonna show you today, it's a
40
strategy
wins and
that
5
I did,
losses?
not last video, but the video before that. You know what I'm saying? The one candlestick. I'm gonna show you how to break that thing down.
Yeah, you like that? You like that one, eh? I do not like this guy.
How to make these profits. It's unorthodox, but it works. Let's get it.
Why has he got to move so
I'm pretty
much,
excited,
man?
40 wins, 5 losses. I've never seen anything like that, really. Maybe like 20 wins, 5 losses would be pretty good. I would really be happy with that.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, live and direct with another valuable video for you.
What's
up, my
going on,
family?
everybody?
Hey, today is a very, very good day.
What's going on, everybody?
Oh, God.
I'm doing trading competitions that would just.
Hundos. I told you it was gonna get bigger. And
This is
bigger
really annoying.
before we get this money. You feel me? So the last.
That's
video-
I don't know if I want him to talk or me to talk. Both of them fucking annoy the shit out of me.
He just taught me.
Kill NFP made extra with 1,800. So I decided to take out 2,500 out of my forex profits.
That's a lie.
To back wins though. 3 people getting.
All right, let's. I remember this strategy because it was so fucking dumb. I remember this clearly. It's the dumbest shit ever.
Gold, which is going to be extremely volatile, and it's low commission based on what you're trading. So he can really scalp gold. A lot of times, NQ and the NASDAQ, S&P. Things
Don't
like this,
listen to a fucking word I'm saying. I don't know what I'm talking
Are
about.
also low commission, so you could really scalp them, and low spread also.
That's
So
retarded.
That's the key here. And then he's using that psychological level of, I guess I was going to point on the screen here, but maybe I can't really point anyways. I can't point anyways. But 1656 and
Fucking
1655. He's using those psychological levels, and he's just going to try to scalp the little blips off of them. It makes sense. Maybe it makes sense.
And, you know,
It makes no
typically,
fucking
I don't
sense.
recommend doing no 10 standard if you're a beginner or nothing like that. I'm just doing this just, you know, to show you.
All right, so
It's coming down, so I could low-key get in.
right there, you buy it, right?
Wow, let's get in on the buy.
Yeah, on the 17.
Get in on the buy. It retrace a little bit. We're gonna be in the profit. Ooh, y'all saw that. Y'all saw that. Oh man, $200.
Yeah.
Classic strategy. Don't look at the chart at all. Just wait until you're in profit and close it.
Wow, y'all saw it, man.
I remember this is like the dumbest shit I've ever seen. Minus jackpot.
Hey,
So essentially, it's a range trading strategy using psychological levels, and his spread is about because he got in at 17 and he got
Retarded.
in
Absolutely fucking retarded.
About 0.5, and he got out at about 75, so that means he made a little bit of a profit from that. So it's probably about 0.5 of a spread on the actual pair value there, right?
Oh,
this
I
is
like
how
money. I
can
like
point
that.
it, by using my
I like
mouth.
that if you like money.
Forgot I'm on a computer.
I can't make this up, bro. Y'all, is this a joke? Are y'all being punked? I'm telling you, I do this
Now
all
he
day.
should
I can
sell
grow
it
this
once it hits to
account
90,
like
right?
that.
Yeah, right there.
Hey,
Oh my god.
I can't make this up. $200 like that. I could have made more because it's gonna retrace a little bit more, but basically you just getting paid off the retracement of it, right? So if the market, drops down a little bit,
It's freaking idiotic, man.
You know what I'm saying? And they retrace a little
I
bit.
feel bad for the person that does this and puts like 10 grand down and then just blows their money, right?
I'm in the money. If it goes up, I can hit sell. It comes back down.
How do you recognize when greed is
Look,
driving your decisions?
When you're on the
And what strategies do you use to overcome it? Mindfulness. You have to like I don't actually honestly know how to tell you. But yeah, like the challenge you're trying to overcome as a trader is being honest with yourself. Okay. And that might sound weird to say, yeah, sure, I'm honest with myself, but no, you're not, right? To be honest with when you're feeling good, when you're feeling bad. Like right now, I have no fucking clue what I'm doing. Right? I'm here entertaining you. That's what I'm doing, right? These trades are super, super dumb to be taking. Like I don't know for sure where it's going to go. So I shouldn't be trading. But I'm doing this for the sake of entertainment, right? For the sake of an experiment. So it doesn't matter. Like, I don't care if I lose the money. Must be very... I'm quite tired, yeah. I'm a little bit better with this G Fuel stuff. It seemed to make focus. But yeah, like when you're tired, like when you're feeling emotional, when you're hurt by a trade or hurt by like I get hurt by people yelling at me in the comments a lot. Like it makes it more difficult to do things. And to just like not brush it off and be like, oh yeah, whatever, right? To actually be able to sit there and say, hey, I'm not going to be able to perform as well. That's when you walk away. Right? And that's your challenge, is to be honest with yourself, telling yourself when you can perform and when you can't.
We know that the UK is amazing in trading, so I have to drink tea to make sure that I'm on par with them.
Nice. A beginner
What's up,
tea.
traders? By popular and by not popular demand, I am going to do another Trader
The
Reacts video.
fan in the background, man. The video quality. Oh, it's garbage. I love it.
You can tell by the headphones. And if you're not a trader,
been like half a
of the channel,
decade.
you've probably found
This is
me
2020,
through
isn't it?
the guy's name
4 years
that I'm
ago.
going to review. This guy's a little bit different. He's not actually a trader at all. He goes by the name of Baheza on YouTube.
Shut
under
up. Hurry up.
So he did this for a full
my
month.
first week of trading went, in which I went from not really knowing what Forex even means to trading on the live market. And since that video, I actually continued dabbling in the market and expanding my knowledge on this whole concept. So in this video, I want to quickly go over how my first month went, and then we're gonna...
Am I just cynical, or is like all of YouTube pissed me off from 4 years ago?
See, this is really cool.
Like, Beaheza's annoying me too. He's moving so much. Like, why you gotta be cracked up, man? What role does emotional intelligence play in managing greed and other emotions? I would say trading is nearly all emotional intelligence. Okay. There's very little strategy to trading. But everyone tells you it's the strategy. It's pretty much entirely emotional intelligence. Like you can make money not knowing what the fuck you're doing, but being aware of your actions and of your emotions, right? You can make money, but you cannot make money with a flawless strategy and you just being a fucking crackhead. It's not possible. So I'd potentially like to add to a short up here. I'll just kind of throw one. How about there somewhere? Yeah, how about that? Why don't I trade UK 100 or get 30? I basically only trade the NASDAQ. It's the only thing I understand. As a beginner, you made more money because you're confident. Yeah, so it's the Dunning-Kruger effect. Dunning-Kruger effect. Right, so this is your confidence level. And as you get better and more knowledgeable, your confidence drops. It's the same thing with like how much money you make, funny enough. It's very similar. You can make money as a beginner because you're just kind of like going with the flow. And then you try to find strategies and things that work, and then you actually start losing money. And then to become an expert to make money again, you have to basically become dumb again, right? Why is bro trading now? I've been trading for 12 hours, man.
Doing that, but at the same time, really.
This is going to be different from all these other guys, where they're trying to flip accounts. This guy's actually taking a practical approach to it.
Okay, so just a quick
but he's starting with a lot of money.
I'm not a Forex expert. This video is not trading advice. In fact, I'm not even advising people get into Forex. It's super risky.
Good.
To me, it's kind of fun to learn this new market.
I think
you guys
should get into it, though.
Gambling.
Share personal experience about how greed impacted your trading and what you learned from it. Oh. No, I can't. No, not really. No, I can't share anything.
I'm
But
not recommending it to anyone.
play
With
demo
that
for a
said,
very
if
long
you don't know
time.
what forex day trading is,
Or
and
trade
here's a
with very
10-second
small amount of
explanation. Timer
money.
starts now. It's a market for currencies like the US dollar or Japanese yen. These currencies go up and down in value against each other, so what you can do is buy low, sell high, and make money that way.
Good
or even
introduction.
short the market and make money if
Yeah.
it goes down. So in my last video about this, I started learning and trading with
You can
$1,000
expect to
and got a
lose all of your
1%
money,
return after
guys,
3 days of
when you
trading.
first start.
Not
So
very
start with a
exciting,
very
but at least
small
we came
amount.
out profitable even after having a couple negative trades. Now let's get into what happened after the video went live, and I continued trading. I got 2 decent profitable trades. I was feeling hot, but then hit it with a $60 loss.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Followed by a higher $72 loss.
Yes, sir.
Uh-oh, man.
I like this guy because it's realistic. It's like actually him like losing money.
Which was incredibly discouraging, not because of the amount of money I lost, but because it completely
That's
wiped
actually
out
not
my
too
profits.
bad
I mean, here I
for
was
his
just grinding
initial
to get
account
$3
balance for
profit
a
on a
brand
trade,
new
and I
trader.
just lost
A new
60,
trader's probably
70
going to
from
actually
two trades.
lose quite
So
a
at
bit
that
more
point,
because
I
they don't know how to
stopped
cut the
trading because I
trades
figured it's going to
early
take me a whole lot of $3
when they're losing.
profit trades to get this account back to just break even. Why even bother? I kind of gave up on the idea, but I continued getting forex videos recommended on YouTube, so I kind of just kept watching some of them and learning about different approaches. From these recommended
So
videos,
that was
one of
about
the
6 and a
strategies that I
7%
stumbled
loss
on
in
is
2
where
trades, which
people
isn't
will
too
just
bad.
look at a graph and look for trends. They won't use any indicators or fancy little graphs or anything, just straight up the price graph, and they kind of just look for
Yeah,
trends to see
so
where
this
the
is
market
exactly
going,
what I
which
do.
sounds like complete
I don't use
gambling.
anything.
So I was into it. But in all seriousness, I gave that a go. I just went on my phone, didn't have any little indicators loaded or anything, just the price
Cool.
graph. I saw that euro and the US dollar pair had a spike, so I decided to short it and then double down on that and came out with $132.
He does with his hair. He looks like a TikToker. Oh man. I don't know if I can stay awake for fucking 12 hours. This is silly. This is just so silly. Okay, this second order got filled. This is I shouldn't be in this. I should not be in this. I don't know what to do. This is what I'm saying, like this is what like I can't be in this trade. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing right now. How am I not tired? I'm very tired. I'm not sure if I can trade. Check. I'm not sure. I'm just like looking at this chart and like I have fucking no idea what's going on anymore. It's like it's so crazy to like imagine just like only trade the Asia session and not be able to do it. You won't go to still 12 hours. This is fucked. I'm like break even. I just spent 12 hours to do nothing. And it's only going to get worse. That's what's crazy. I'm not sure what to do. Thing is, though, guys, it's like, oh Jesus, that's crazy. Wild. This is fucked, man. Yeah, my decision making's fucked. The thing is, like, I'm looking. I'm gonna pull this over this way. Flip $100, dude. If I put $100 in an account, I would blow it instantly. I don't advise anyone to ever do this. This is really fucking terrible. That's what I'm debating is like a nap is like it's fucking. It's just like a nap is probably not going to do anything. You know what I mean? Maybe we can dance. No, I'm fucking dead, bro. I've already been up for nearly 24 hours. $100K to $100. shower, man. I'm just thinking, and it takes a lot longer to think now. Did DMC give 13% to you in a day? Who got 13% that day? Oh, man. What time is it? 1:30. This is fucked, man. Oh. On a scale of 1 to 10, how confused am I? I've been more confused. I don't know, like a 6 or 7. I at least know where I am. I just don't really know what I'm looking at. Oh man, I feel sick. Maybe I had too much caffeine. Man, you guys are asking too many questions. I don't know the answers. My cat will make me up. That's what I'm debating is like, do I just like take a nap until New York open? I take a nap on the couch and then just freaking set an alarm and then come right back to it, but because I'm so like I can't think, man. Any action I've realized at this point, any action I take is completely random. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. After staring at fucking lions for 12 hours. Can we just get a quick lesson? Can we just get a quick revision of what the dumb money concepts is? I might have to take a nap on the couch while on stream. Just so you guys know I'm still streaming for 24 hours. I feel fucking sick. I think I had way too much caffeine. Alright, do we take a nap? And then come back for New York Open? Like a 4-hour nap? Or what? I think I could do that. And then try to make money on New York. Because we just wasted 12 hours to make $0. This experiment is not what I was expecting. I thought I'd be tired like in the morning, but it's like halfway. I might have to take a nap. Oh man, I'm gonna fucking puke. Yeah. I think a nap is the only way that we're gonna be able to finish this at this point. Otherwise, I'm gonna freaking puke on my keyboard and do nothing for the next 12 hours but stare at the screen. So, here's the lesson. We're going to take a nap. Here's the lesson, guys. Don't fucking trade more than one session. This is insane. Like, I had no idea how fucking exhausting this was going to be. Maybe it's because I'm streaming too, and I can't just kind of like walk away. But like, that's a very fast, like just absolute fry of the brain. And like, for no reason. You could get just as much done in the open. You know what I mean? For like 2 hours. And you'd be safe. This looks like it's gonna fail. And then go back down. Might look like it's gonna fail. We're gonna set an alarm. I'm gonna set an alarm for fucking 6 a.m. Is Bitcoin going up? It looks like Bitcoin. I still have a long going on Bitcoin. Nice. Oh man, I'm fucking gonna puke. Oh god. Okay, I just set an alarm. 4-hour nap. 6 o'clock. Oh, 5. We'll do 5:45. 4 hours on the dot, pretty much. Oh, okay. Give away 4 accounts. All right. That's what we're gonna do. Oh man, I can't pronounce your name. Orier. You've won. Orange Army, sure, you've won too. This guy. And Stealth FX, okay. There you go, 4 accounts, 10Ks each, okay. Open up a ticket. Open up a ticket, 4 accounts. We got the timer going still. You guys won. I'm gonna approve it when I wake up in 4 hours, okay? I'm gonna nap on the couch right fucking here. I'm not going nowhere. I'm gonna take a piss first though. And then when we get back, 20K accounts, and we're gonna try to finish New York. We're gonna have a 4-hour nap. We're gonna fucking try to finish New York, okay? Because otherwise, I'm not gonna be able to finish New York at all. I would be done in the next few hours. Okay. I'm gonna go puke and then take a nap. Oh Jesus. Okay, what do I do with the stream? I just leave it on or what? I think that's what I do. Is I just leave it on with a fucking timer right here. By the way, it looks like what I think is going to happen is it's going to sell, I think. So maybe we'll do something like that, but okay, we're gonna take a sell. We're gonna just do that, and we're gonna take a nap. Okay, that'll be the trade that could run while we're napping. Okay, that's how it's gonna work. We'll put a stop loss. We'll do it like here, right? And then we'll take the profit here. We'll see what that does. Okay, something like that. Let's just see how that goes. Where's that take profit? Take profit here or something. Yeah. Sweet. Okay, that's the trade. Why sell? Well, it's because I'll break this real quick. 4 hours of failing, right? That's a really strong failure. So I suspect within the next hour it should close back below again, right? This pump means nothing until it closes. This is a failure too, right? So most likely we're continuing to this low, okay? This pump doesn't mean anything until it closes. So I'm betting that that's going to break down off of this 15 minute that's about to close, right? If that 15 minute closes above, then, you know, we might just be fucked. But this is failure, so which means it's probably going to come back down, which is going to cause the close and then come down here, right? It's going to cataclysm, right? It's going to snowball. Orange Army, yeah, you won one. 10K. Who won the account? I mentioned, I think Stealth FX, Orange Army, or your horror guy with O as the first and last name, and Valley Bab. Sorry, I'm not pronouncing names right. They're very not Western names. Okay. Yeah, cool. Let me be. And I'm gonna freaking take a nap right here. Oh, fucking hell, man. blanket. Oh, it closed above. Okay, fuck that trade. Fuck it. No, we're not doing that one. It was based off of that 15 close. We're not doing that shit. Okay. Okay. Hopefully New York, we make some money. Turns out London and Asia suck. We're gonna just delete that. Okay, where's my freaking timer? Where's the freaking timer? What happened? There's the freaking timer. Okay. Alright. Okay. What do? I write maybe here. I'm gonna delete all this shit. Fuck that. Okay. Nap till New York open. Boom. Let's do that. Chris, is it really worth it? Who knows? It's definitely not worth it to trade the NASDAQ during Asia. I'll tell you that for sure. I'll tell you that for free even. It's not worth it. None of this shit's worth it. It's only worth it to trade during New York. Okay. That's it, boys. Alarm. Yeah, 5:45. I'll be awake. Oh. Bloody hell. Let's see if I can even sleep with all this caffeine in me. Oh, just fucking feel brains fried.